the end of last season. I broke down my pre-emergent plan for you in this video. So if you haven't seen it, you may want to push pause and go check it out, because I'm about to show you the results. Well, here we are again, folks, in the garage. I'd much rather be out in the lawn for you, but we went from kind of nice and warm to wet, cold, soggy, nasty out. So let's talk about pre-emergent. We're not doing any applications today. We're just going to talk about results because I got them. Okay? Never done a pre-emergent before. Last season was my first time to put one down in the fall, and then I did it again in January. And I will have to say, it is now part of my yearly plan. Already on my to-do list, as you saw in chapter 1 last week. So in chapter 2 coming up real soon, we're going to do the application of the pre-emergent. And we're going to do that all season long here on Budget Lawns. New chore, new chapter. So you'll want to keep up with that in your 2020 lawn season guide. If you have subscribed, thank you. I sure do appreciate it. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Leave a comment down below. Tell me where you're at in your lawn season, and more importantly, tell me about some other good YouTube channels that you like to watch. I'm always looking for good lawn channels to keep up with, especially the ones that I'm not already subscribed to. So leave those down below, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. All your feedback helps let me know whether you like what I'm doing here on Budget Lawns or not. For today, I've been promising you that I would show you the results of my plan from the fall and earlier this year. So let's get into it. Really didn't have any problems in my front lawn last year, but here it is 2 years ago, and it was just a hot mess. Clover and every other weed under the sun, and I really felt hopeless at times, but I got them under control. So front lawn today looks good, no weeds. It's been so warm, we do have a little green up already along the sidewalks, but that's all right. Let's go to the backyard where, trust me when I say, since I moved in this house 3 years ago, it has been a totally different story. The poan in the backyard has just always been a problem. I really haven't done much to it. I've just kind of let it go crazy. And I decided that this season will be the season that I change that. And I started last fall with the pre-emergent. These pictures are from 2 years ago. So you can see how bad it was then. Last year, it was even worse. But today, huge difference. After a couple rounds of pre-emergent, still pretty bad along the bricks and the fence line where my drop spreader doesn't get the product where I need it and where I weed eat a lot, so it's a lot more bare and I don't have a shield there to keep the weeds from germinating. But still, the main parts of the lawn looking nice, looking real nice. And the main part of the backyard, it gets even better. This picture is actually from last year, and it was an absolute wreck. I mean, just in horribly bad shape. A huge difference to start out this season. Super, super excited about that, because I don't feel like I'll be climbing uphill all season long. I'll be starting from a much better spot. You know, there is still a few weeds in the backyard. There's still patches of poana here and there, but you can't expect that this pre-emergent is going to be a one season fix. You know, you're still going to get some that sneak through the cracks, but if you stick on it for 2, 3, 4 seasons, that's when you're really going to see the major differences. But don't be confused, folks. This isn't just a one thing fixes all when it comes to pre-emergence. That's not going to be the thing that keeps all the weeds out of your lawn. Really, it's a two-step process. 1, pre-emergent, do it. 2, take care of all the cultural practices. Mow frequently, water properly, and feed it with fertilizer. You do those 2 things, and you're going to have success in achieving a weed-free lawn. That's all we've got. Results for you. I appreciate you watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks, guys.